Students from Duke University have developed the fastest unicycle in the world, named EV360. This impressive invention stands about 1.5 meters tall and can reach speeds of over 112 kilometers per hour. The EV360 project was built in the university's Innovation Co-laboratory, where students created nearly all components using advanced technologies like 3D printing and metal fabrication. The unicycle is powered by an electric motor producing 15 horsepower continuously and peaking at 31 horsepower. A small 72-volt lithium polymer battery provides a range of about 14 kilometers at a speed of 32 kilometers per hour. Although the EV360 has yet to gain official recognition in the Guinness World Records due to pandemic-related delays, the team is confident they can surpass the current record of 117 kilometers per hour set by a gas-powered unicycle. The startup MobiMove has introduced one of the most advanced electric tricycles called the YX1, designed for off-road riding. Its unique design includes a large 13-inch rear wheel and 2 front wheels, providing stability and control across various terrains. The YX1 combines elements of a unicycle and a traditional skateboard with an electric drive. Its 1,500-watt electric motor allows it to accelerate up to 40 kilometers per hour, while the built-in 624-watt-hour battery provides a range of up to 60 kilometers on flat terrain at moderate speeds. The tricycle features advanced control technologies. Users can steer by leaning in different directions and use a handlebar with a hydraulic brake, which is applied to the rear wheel. The device weighs approximately 22 kilograms. Universal Hovercraft has introduced a high-performance personal hovercraft designed for travel across various surfaces, including land, water, and even ice. The Renegade IQ is equipped with a 4-stroke engine and can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, with a range of approximately 240 kilometers. Thanks to its lightweight design and reinforced carbon and Kevlar hull, this craft is both durable and long-lasting. The Renegade IQ comes with numerous useful features, including an LED headlight, a USB port for charging devices and low noise levels, making rides comfortable and allowing conversations with passengers even at high speeds. This amphibious vehicle is also capable of performing impressive stunts, such as 360-degree spins on both land and water. The price for this model starts at $32,000. Canadian entrepreneur Bryce Jameson designed a vehicle called Velo. The core of this device consists of a long stainless steel frame. At the rear end, there's an extendable handlebar resembling a bicycle's, while at the front, there's an electric motor wheel. The wheel features a 20-inch diameter disc, a 4-inch wide tire, and a brushless hub motor that allows speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour. The motor controller, brake lever, and a full-color LED display showing speed and battery levels are mounted on the handlebar. Velo's electronics are powered by a removable lithium battery located in the central part of the frame. According to the developers, its maximum energy capacity is sufficient to cover 32 kilometers. A regenerative braking system helps extend the travel distance and safely slow down without needing frequent recharges. Engineers from Airwheel Company have developed a unique vehicle called the Airwheel A3, which combines elements of a self-balancing scooter and a comfortable 2-wheeled transport with a seat. This model stands out not only for its thoughtful design, but also for its high level of safety and comfort. One of the key features of the A3 is the comfortable leather seat, which differentiates it from most other electric scooters that require the rider to stand while driving. This makes trips more comfortable, especially over long distances. The Airwheel A3 can reach speeds of up to 19 kilometers per hour, making it a fast and convenient means of city transport. It has a range of up to 65 kilometers on a single charge, allowing for extended rides without the need for frequent recharging. However, it takes about 3 hours to fully recharge the battery. Airwheel Company has developed a modern electric wheelchair with a self-balancing system, designed to enhance mobility and provide greater comfort for users with limited abilities. Unlike traditional wheelchairs, The A6P is equipped with gyroscopic technology that maintains balance and stability, making the control smooth and intuitive. One of the key features of this model is the joystick, which allows the user to control movement, speed, and braking. This provides greater precision in maneuvering and ensures easy navigation in challenging environments. To enhance safety, the A6P is equipped with an intelligent lighting system. Built-in headlights ensure visibility at night, while rear brake lights automatically activate when braking, alerting other road users. Toyota has created a revolutionary vehicle of the future in the form of the iRoad electric car, a unique hybrid between a car and a motorcycle. This compact three-wheeled vehicle is designed for two people seated one behind the other and is intended for urban environments. The main feature of the iRoad is the active lean system, which allows the vehicle to lean into turns like a motorcycle, using special sensors and an additional electric motor. The car is equipped with two electric motors on the front wheels and one rear wheel that controls turns at low speeds. The maximum speed of the vehicle is 45 kilometers per hour, and it has a range of 60 kilometers on a single charge, which is sufficient for daily city trips. Brooklyn Workshop has developed a very unique vehicle called the skate cycle. It combines elements from several extreme sports: snowboard-like control, smooth skateboard-like turns, and the maneuverability typical of caster boards. The skate cycle's design features two large hubless polyurethane wheels connected by a double pivot axle. To move, the user places their feet on non-slip platforms and performs twisting motions with their body, moving their feet inward and outward, allowing them to maintain momentum without pushing off the ground. The skate cycle measures about 81 centimeters in length and 16 centimeters in width, weighing approximately 3.3 kilograms. The frame is made of durable aluminum, while the body components are crafted from composite materials, providing both strength and flexibility. The device is priced around $150. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.